ziua, suntem la Mobile World Congress 2017.
Vă prezentăm pe telecomtv.ro cele mai noi lansări ale industriei. Hello. For the first time at Mobile World Congress, Kathrein is exhibiting a real Internet of Things solutions. Hi sir, so good to have this news this year at Barcelona. How exactly does the Internet of Things solution work for Kathrein?
Well, actually, Internet of Things is pretty easy. You have certain objects and you want to track and trace those objects along their way. So be it in a supply chain, be it in a production, you want to know exactly where specific objects or parts are. And for that you need certain technologies and solutions. And we offer actually the full suite of such solutions. First of all, you need RFID chips, and I just picked one of them. This is how they look. So very, very small devices, and these chips you attach to an object. Now in this case we have attached it to a pallet, right? So now that I've attached the chip to the pallet, I can track and trace it. In order to do so, I need special antennas that can read the chips. And the antennas you find on the right hand side. So basically these are so-called reader antennas. So once this chip passes by the reader antenna, it recognizes the chip immediately and then displays the chip onto a screen. So the screen tells me where the objects are. Now in our case, we see the two pallets are now in the outbound section. And also it gives me information about the objects. So it says exactly what's on the pallet, for example. Yeah? The possibilities that you have as an enterprise is really to manage your whole production processes and also your supply chain with the use of such IoT solutions. What does it bring in terms of advantage? Well, you can of course have lower delivery times. You have better information on your goods available. For example, if something is sold out, you can reproduce very quickly. I gave you the example of the shoes as an example. So a textile company is using their RFID system and it knows exactly that specific shoes are being sold out in Asia. So they can start reproduce those shoes, for example. So you have advantages in time, you have advantages in cost, and of course you are much nearer to the customers and the market.
What kind of software do you use to see all the products, to detect everything, even humidity or I don't know, how the kilos of the products that you are carrying?
That's a very important question, because without software actually you can't really see it, you can't visualize it, you can't track it. And we're using the world-leading software which is called Crosstalk. It's a company, a German company that we bought last year. We've been working with them for many years, very successfully on a number of projects. Now we're actually together in one company. And Crosstalk is a software that you can see it on the screen, that actually visualizes then all the movements of the objects and all the information very easily worldwide. And I think one of the outstanding features of the software is that it works in any IT environment. So basically whatever you're using, be it Oracle or SAP, it will integrate into all existing environments. And that is a worldwide really unique software.
You are starting to become a service company, not only an antenna production company. You diversified a lot. Yes, we see here that you have also a service portfolio. You mentioned earlier that you have 4 centers in the entire world. How do you see your development? Because you have so many news this year. You are not only an antenna company anymore.
That's true. That's an evolution of Kathrein, I would call it. So traditionally we have been in the hardware business, producing antennas. But now markets and also customer demands are changing. So increasingly actually we are developing into a solution and service provider. And this is going to be also the future for Kathrein. So apart from hardware, we need to offer services, we need to offer intelligent solutions like our IoT solutions, and that is actually the direction of our diversification.